Okay students, now we'll continue the poem once again, and this is the third part of video. Okay, if you ever want to giggle and shout, giggle करना यानी गुदगुदी करनी होती है आपको, जिससे आप हंसते हो ना, गिगल करते हो तो हंसना, लाफ करना, गुदगुदी करना, and shout and can't think of what to do it about, means when you want to giggle and shout, and if you can't think what to do at that time, what you have to do, just look in the mirror, and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Means according to that girl, what she says that जब भी तुम्हें गुदगुदी करनी हो, चिल्लाना हो या हंसना हो, और आपको उस समय अगर कुछ सूझ नहीं पड़ता है, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट लुक इन द मिरर. आपको उस समय सिर्फ आईने में, शीशे में देखना है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू इज देयर इज़ नो डाउट, उसके हिसाब से कोई डाउट नहीं होगा. जब जब हम हमारे फेस पे जो नोज़ चिपका हुआ है उसे देखोगे तो हमें लगेगा कि वो सबसे फनी चीज़ है जो हमारे फेस पे चिपकी हुई है. ओके, now we will do the reading once again, the whole poem together. Okay, noses. I look in the mirror and look at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I look in the mirror and I saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. The between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror, and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Okay, now this is the end of the reading part of our video. In next lecture now I will send you the notes of this poem. Okay, for that, by that time now, goodbye and take care of yourself.